Well, hello folks. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing fantastic. This video is being filmed a couple of days after the second ever Carrier Community event, and I think that went really well. Got a lot of positive feedback. I wanted to bring about another idea for something to just continually pour into this community and give away content, and in all honesty, hopefully, eventually, possibly, maybe be seen as a thought leader in this industry, not necessarily the logistics and supply chain, but just helping young professionals in a few different areas, increasing their sales, increasing their impact, and also just really helping them figure out what opportunity they want to choose. So just really helping young professionals clarify their personal brand so they can increase their sales, increase their impact, and know what opportunity to go for. Anyways, the idea is this: the first Monday of every month, whatever Monday that is that it falls on, whether it's the 1st, whether it's the 9th, or, well, that really can't happen, but whether it's could it happen? Maybe. Anyways, whether it's the 1st, the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 12th, 15th, it doesn't matter. Whatever the first Monday of the month is meeting at a local Chick-fil-A, my old Chick-fil-A that I used to work at, and going over the not 4-part framework, but really the 4 little steps for me that you really need to do to really increase your sales, increase your impact, and know what opportunity to choose. And that is, knowing your personal brand. What are you great at, and what is that day-to-day reputation? And then going into really 3 things that I see really help you live out and really dive into that personal reputation. And that is, the first one being this: relationship over opportunity every freaking time. The second one is fill in the gaps. And the third one is ask questions, apply answers. So the concept is, hey, let's get a group of us together. It doesn't matter if you really are interested in this idea of meeting on the first Monday of every month. I use quotes because it's not technically going to be every month. I'll talk to you when you DM me or whatever it is, email me. You got it right. Anyways, the idea is that, meeting together at a local Chick-fil-A right around Marietta, where I used to work, get to see my old buddies, and talk about that personal brand, talk about relationship over opportunity, talk about filling the gaps, and then talk about this last one of asking questions and applying answers. If that is interesting to you whatsoever, please reach out to me, email, do whatever, or direct message me here on the good old LinkedIn's. And I'm also going to post this on YouTube, so if you think that's really interesting, please subscribe to this channel, because there's more and more thoughts and ideas around increasing your sales, increasing your impact, and knowing what opportunity to choose, because your personal brand matters. Anyways, please subscribe. Deuces. Talk to you later. Bye.